What is up, guys? It's Caleb. We are going to continue down the luxury line today. I have a 2012 Bentley Continental Flying Spur Speed with a massive $223,000 window sticker, MSRP, and just under 14,000 original baby miles on it. Now, if you guys enjoy this video, make sure you smash that like button, hit the subscribe, click the bell icon, that way you get notified every single time a new video gets posted. Of course, we have the best inventory in the country coming in and out of this place all the time. They go quick, so if you want to be the first to see it, subscribe to the channel. Now, the original owner purchased this car as a gift for his wife, and man, what a gift this would be. This car is absolutely gorgeous, guys. It's finished in Beluga black, they call it, which is a factory option. The paint has been corrected, it's been buffed out. There is not a single swirl mark on this car. It honestly looks just as good in person as I'm sure it does on the video. The black is deep, it's wet, it's just very, very slick. I did not find any blemishes walking around it. This does have the $1,000 added speed badging across the bottom of the body lines here. Of course, you have that classic Bentley styling in the rear, similar taillights as previous models, and your Bentley winged badge in the center there. We have dual chrome-tipped exhaust on it. The wheels, they are a 20-inch multi-spoke. That's the only place I did find a couple small blemishes. There is some very, very slight rashing on a couple of the wheels right on the outer edge. It's not bad. It'll easily get cleaned up with some touch-up paint on them. They are wrapped in a very nice Pirelli P0 all-season tire. Now, guys, these cars have the W12 engine in them. They're turbocharged from the factory, 600 horsepower. They are permanent all-wheel drive as well. This does have 360 parking sensors on it, and it does have a added ordered backup view camera on it. So that was an additional option. Obviously in the front, still looks like the classic Flying Spurs. They don't change these up much, but sometimes, you know, when it works, why change it up? You have that quad headlight system in the front. I love the upper and lower chrome grills on them. They do a serrated cut and angled so that this thing is just beaming like diamonds. It's very, very sharp, very beautiful. Obviously all the chrome exterior trim around it as well just adds that little pop to it, even on the door handles. It's just a very, very sleek, very nice looking car. It is sitting on air suspension, so it will go up and down, the leveling on it. You can change that with a couple buttons and controls right on the center dash. This does have a power tilt and slide sunroof as well. But let's take a look inside. Now, Bentley markets their interior as craftsmanship, comfort, and convenience. That's exactly what you have in here. We are continuing the Beluga black theme, so you have some premium black leather with nice contrast stitching on it, and broken up with some brushed aluminum venting and shifter paddles, stuff like that, and the very nice glossy wood trim. It's comfortable in here. Everything is powered, so you have literally power everything. Very adjustable front seats. You have a powered tilt and telescopic steering wheel. The steering wheel was an upgraded 4-spoke wooden hide steering wheel, so this was a $1,500 option just from the factory. You have your Breitling dialogue clock or analog clock right in the center there. You know it's luxury if it has a clock right in the center dash. Dual climate control. You have your heated seat adjusters up front. There's 6 different levels on them. Now this was updated as well. Now the seats and door panel inserts are premium diamond stitch. They are absolutely beautiful. They're soft. The leather is smooth. There's no cracking. It smells in here like premium hide. It's just very appealing. Everything is very clean in here. Now in the center here, you do have a very nice 8-inch touchscreen infotainment center. You have lifetime Sirius satellite radio subscription, Bluetooth audio and media on it. You also do get a 6-disc CD changer that's right here in the glove box. It does have navigation as well, so all the features you would want, and night lighting. So press of a button, it's going to dim the screen down. That way it's not blaring at you in the middle of the night. Now, paired with the infotainment center, you do get a 12-speaker premium audio system, and let me tell you, it absolutely bumps. It is crystal clear and just has a very crisp sound audio. But there's a lot of features in the front, but there's almost just as many in the back, so we're going to go back there real quick and take a look at those. Now, chances are, if you do own a Bentley, you're being driven in one, not driving it. So in the back, we have veneered picnic tables for your snack or your lunch, right off the back of the seats. Again, they are on the driver and passenger seat. That was a, let's see, $2,300 option from the factory. They are finished in that same walnut wood trim, along with the dash and the door panels. Now, there's tons of features in the back as well. Take a look at all this leg space back here. I'm 6 feet and I'm swimming back here. In the center, you have your dual climate control, and then on the sides of the seats, you have your full adjustable settings on here. You can slide them forward, you can tilt them, you have your lumbar positioning, and your headrest height. I did forget to mention there is a privacy screen shade that does come up and down on the rear window, but that is controlled by the front there. In the center, you have your map lighting, and then even on the pillars in here, you can heat the rear windows so that they don't fog up. So with the press of the button, it's going to open up these vents and heat the rear windows as well. Now, the rear boot does open automatically with a push of the button on the remote. It will beep to notify you. There is also 2 key fobs you get with the car, and there is a button on the driver's side door panel that'll automatically open the rear boot as well. You have a lot of cargo space or storage in the back here, guys. Come take a look. We have a premium Bentley car cover on here. You have optioned, $500 optioned, deep pile extra carpeted floor mats. You have your battery tender from Bentley. I have a nice container that has all the original service manuals, owner's handbooks, and Bentley literature, documents, stuff like that. That's in that container. And this is what I was talking about, guys, earlier. We have a very meticulous, maintained Bentley here with bulletproof service records, a very nice Carfax report with all the maintenance on it. So everything is absolutely up to date. This car needs nothing, just a new driver. You get in and go. And I can't stress that enough. This thing has been very, very well kept. Now, inside the engine bay, guys, and by the way, it is a little tricky to pop this hood. There is a first latch on the driver's side that you pop. The Bentley button does pop up. You're going to have to hold that, and then you release it. The hood will come up. It stays up nicely. But anyway, inside we have the 6-liter twin-turbo W12 engine producing 600 horsepower to an all-wheel drive drivetrain system. It's mated to a flawless shifting 6-speed ZF automatic transmission with quick shift paddle shifters that are right on the steering column. This thing drives like a dream, guys. It is so smooth, it's flawless, it really is quality. This is probably one of the best driving cars that you can get in and just be comfortable, but yet still have that sporty feeling with it. Obviously, everything is very clean. Take a look at how nice and glossy the jams are on these cars. They go the extra level and paint and gloss or clear those as well. So it's just very visually appealing inside and out. Now that was my impression, guys, on this absolutely gorgeous 2012 Bentley Flying Spur Speed. Again, just under 14,000 original miles on it. In like new condition. This thing's absolutely gorgeous. Spec'd out very nicely. $223,000 MSRP on it, and you can own this car for less than half of what it costs new. Now, it might not be the cheapest Speed on the market. However, I can't stress this enough. This thing is top tier quality. It's gonna be the nicest one that you'll find. If you are interested in purchasing it, you can visit volocars.com. There, if you click the Buy It Now button, it'll secure a refundable deposit on this car. It'll shoot us an email. We will be contacting you back. We can help set up financing. It's super easy. We can also get this delivered right to your driveway. It's at volocars.com. Check it out. Or you can call us, ask for me, Caleb. I'd be more than happy to talk over the car some more with you. We can go over the specs and financing and shipping options that way as well. Thanks for staying till the end of the video and checking it out.